Hello everyone, welcome to the reboot of this channel. The first video is the super awesome paper airplane. This paper airplane has a good hang time. You'll see that there is a weight balance in here. This allows it to just kind of glide for a long time. So it just kind of hangs and flies and flies. Anyways, let me show you how to make this. It's pretty simple. I think you'll enjoy it. Let me know what you think. Okay, to start, I'm using regular printer paper, 8.5 by 11. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold this paper in half. So I'm gonna line up these corners like that. Crease it down the middle, just like so. And I'm going to open this up. And then I'm gonna take this top edge and I'm gonna fold it along this center crease. And one of the tricks is I find is just lift one side and you can kind of guide that in and it'll help you to get to a good point at the end there. So go ahead and crease that down. Do the same thing on this side. And you have another reference you can line up with this piece of paper right where it lined up. And you have that. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold this top half down along this line here where we got these two pieces of paper. We're gonna keep this nose on the center crease and then the fold lines are gonna line up to those corners. So we're gonna fold it down. Just not gonna crease it down just yet. Make sure our corners line up. Push it down. We're on center and then we will crease it. And now it kind of looks like an envelope. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this corner, we're gonna fold it down on this center crease line, but we're gonna give about a 1/2 inch from the crease line in. It's not too critical if you got the right spacing in there. It doesn't, I mean, you can make this in many different ways, add more, add less. This is going to be the nose of the paper airplane. So I'm gonna do the same thing on both sides, lining up these 2 points. So I have that, I will crease that down. And our paper airplane looks like this. Now this part here that's underneath, I'm gonna fold it up, keeping this corner on that center crease line. And then our fold lines are gonna be right here where it meets these paper. So I'm gonna lift this up, fold it there. Once I think I got it right, I will crease it down, just like so. Now I'm going to flip this over, holding that center, and then we're gonna kind of fold along that center line, just like that. Okay? So at this point, we're almost done. We're now going to we're gonna make the wings. So we're gonna take this top line here and fold it along the bottom edge. So I'm gonna fold this down. And when I'm happy with it, I like how it's lined up, I will crease it down. Just like that. And flip it over, do the same thing on this side. Fold that in. I'll crease that down and crease it. Open this up and there we have the super awesome paper airplane. This is one of the best flying paper airplanes. It's sturdy, the weight balance is good. Try it out, let me know what you think. All right.